This is first problem from hyperbolic functions. Here is given x is equal to log of y plus square root of y square plus 1. Then y is equal to dash. So we know that the formula for sine h inverse x is equal to, this is the formula, log of x plus square root of x square plus 1. So here is x is equal to, this value is given, log of y plus square root of y square plus 1. This value is sine h inverse y. From this y is equal to, this is sine hx. This is the value of y. Y value is sine x. This is second problem from hyperbolic functions. TIPS&TRICKS 23 question. Here is given if sine hx is equal to minus 4 by 3. Then sine h2x plus cos 2hx is dash. So we know that the formula for sine h2x, that is sine h2x is, this is 2 sine hx cos hx plus cos h2x, that is cos h square x plus sine h square x. You are given in the problem sine hx is given, now find cos hx. That cos hx is equal to under root of 1 plus sine h square x, that is equal to under root of 1 plus sine h square, that is 16 by 9. Take LCM, that is 9 plus 16 by 9 is 25 by 9. So this is 25 by 9 is equal to, this is 5 by 3. This is the value of cos hx. So substituting in this, 2 into sine hx minus 4 by 3 cos hx 5 by 3 plus cos h square x 25 by 9 plus sine h square x 16 by 9. So LCM is 9, that is 5 into minus 4 minus 20 into 2. This is minus 40 plus here 25 plus 16, that is 41, equal to 41 minus 40, 1 by 9. That is the required answer. This is third problem from hyperbolic functions. TIPS&TRICKS 23 question. So this is sine h of log of 3 plus root 8 is dash. So take here, first take log of 3 plus root 8. So this value is written as, that is log of 3 plus 8 is written as, this is 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. This is the formula for cos h inverse of x, that is cos h inverse 3. So take this value is equal to x. So from this value of cos hx. Now find sine hx. Sine hx is equal to under root of cos h square x minus 1. That is cos h square x is 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to root 8. Root 8 is equal to, this is 2 cube whole to the power of 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Now substituting on the problem, that is given problem is sine h of log of 3 plus root 8. That value is taken as x. Sine hx, that is already we know that sine hx value is 2 to the power of 3 by 2. That is the required answer. This is fourth question from hyperbolic function. TIPS&TRICKS 23 question. Here is given sine h of log x is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to dash. This is the question. So sine h of log x is equal to minus 2. This is written as, this is log x is equal to, this is sine h inverse of minus 2. We know that the formula for sine h inverse x is equal to, this is log of x plus square root of x square plus 1. Substituting in this, that is log x is equal to, this is log of minus 2 plus under root of minus 2 whole square, 4 plus 1. That is log x is equal to, this is log of, so minus 2 plus root 5. Here logarithm cancel both sides. From this x is equal to, this is root 5 minus 2. That is the required answer. This is fifth question from hyperbolic functions. TIPS&TRICKS 23 question. So here is given cos hx is equal to 4 by 3. Then 3 cos hx plus 3 square into cos h2x plus 3 cube into cos h3x is equal to dash. Cos hx value is given. Now we find this is 3 cos hx plus 3 square, that is 9 into cos h2x, cos h2x formula, that is 2 cos h square x minus 1 plus 3 cube 27 cos h3x formula, this is 4 cos h cube x minus 3 cos hx. Substituting cos hx value in this equation, that is 3 into cos hx 4 by 3 plus 9 into 2 into 4 by 3 whole square, this is 16 by 9 minus 1 plus 27 into 4 into cos h cube x, that is 4 by 3 whole cube, that is this is cube, 4 4 is 60, 16 into 4, that is 64 by 27 minus 3 into cos hx is 4 by 3. Here 3 cancel. So from this here also 3 cancel, that is equal to, this is 4 plus take LCM, this is 9 into 2 into 16, 32 minus 9 by 9. Here 9 is 27 into 4 into 64. So this value is 4 4 is 16, this is 256 minus 256 by 27 minus 4. So that is equal to 4 plus 32 minus 9. This 32 minus 9 is, this is 23. Plus take LCM for this, this is 27 into 256 minus 4 into 27. This is 108 by 27. Here 27 cancel, that is 4 plus 23. This is 27 plus 256 plus 108. This is subtracting, this is 156, 148. So add these two, this is 15. So 4, 6, 7, 175. This is the required answer. This is sixth question from hyperbolic functions, TIPS&TRICKS 23 question. Sin x into cos hy is equal to cos theta, and second relation cos x into sin hy is equal to sin theta. Then sin square x plus cos h square y is equal to dash. Here is two equations is given. This is first equation and this is second equation. Squaring and add these two equations. That is left side, this is sin square x cos h square y plus second equation, that is cos square x into sin h square y is equal to, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this value is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Now first one, this, now we find sin square x plus cos h square y. So this is first one, sin square x into cos h square y plus here cos square x, this is cos h square x is written as, this is 1 minus sin square x into sin h square y. Sin h square y, we know that is cos h square y minus 1 is equal to 1. Multiplying these two, that is sin square x cos h square y plus 1 into cos h square y. This is cos h square y, 1 into minus 1, this is minus 1. This is minus sin square x into cos h square y. So minus into minus plus sin square x is equal to 1. Sides, this is sin square x cos h square y minus sin square x cos h square y cancel. So from this is sin square x plus cos h square y minus 1 is equal to 1. Take 1 this side, that is sin square x plus cos h square y is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is the required answer. This is AP Eapcet question. So this is log of cos h3 plus sin h3 plus log of cos h3 minus sin h3 is equal to dash. This is the question. This is in the form of log m plus log n. We know that the formula, that is log of m into n. So this is the log of this value cos h3 plus sin h3 into cos h3 minus sin h3. So that is equal to, this is log of, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is cos h square 3 minus sin h square 3. We know that the formula for cos h square theta minus sin h square theta is equal to 1. This is equal to log 1. This value is 1. Log 1 is 0. That is the required answer. This is second question from Eapcet. Here is given 2 sin hx is equal to cos hx, then x is equal to dash. So from this is written as, that is sin hx by cos hx is equal to given, that is 1 by 2. This is tan hx is equal to 1 by 2. Now we find x value, that is x is equal to, this is tan h inverse of 1 by 2. We know that the formula for tan h inverse x is equal to, this is half log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. This is the formula. So this is equal to, that is half log of 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to half log 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Here 2 cancel, that is equal to half log 3. This is the value of x. This is third question from Eapcet 23. Here is given, that is cos h alpha plus sin h alpha is equal to e cube, and sin hx is equal to alpha by alpha plus 1. Then find tan hx. So that is given relation is cos h alpha plus sin h alpha. We know that the formula for cos h alpha, that is e power alpha plus e power minus alpha by 2, plus sin h alpha, that is e power alpha minus e power minus alpha by 2, that is equal to e cube. So here e power minus alpha both are cancelled, e power plus alpha, e power minus alpha is cancelled, that is e power alpha plus e power alpha, that is 2 e power alpha by 2 is equal to e cube. Here 2 also cancel, e power alpha is equal to e cube. From this alpha is equal to 3. Here bases are equal, equating the powers. And sin hx is given, that is sin hx is equal to alpha by alpha plus 1. Here alpha value is 3. 3 by 3 plus 1, this is 4. So from this sin hx is equal to 3 by 4. Now we find tan hx. So first find cos hx, that is cos hx is equal to under root of 1 plus sin h square x. This is the formula. Under root of 1 plus sin h square x, 9 by 16. This is root over 16 plus 9, 25 by 16, that is equal to 5 by 4. Now we find tan hx. So tan hx is equal to, this is sin hx by cos hx. So sin hx value is 3 by 4 by cos hx is 5 by 4. Here 4 cancel. That is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is, that is 3 by 3 plus 2. Here 3 value is alpha. Alpha is 3, substituting in this. This is alpha by alpha plus 2. This is the value of sin tan hx. Here tan hx is equal to alpha by alpha plus 2. 23. Here is given if sin hx is equal to given, that is 5 by 12, and find cos hx by 2. This is the problem. Sin hx is equal to given 5 by 2. Now find cos hx. That is, we know that the formula for cos hx is 1 plus sin h square x. So that is equal to under root of 1 plus 25 by 144. That is 144 plus 25, 169 by 144. So this is equal to 13 by 12. This is the value of cos hx, that is equal to 13 by 12. So now we find cos hx by 2. This is, that means cos hx by 2 is equal, this is the formula, under root of 1 plus cos hx by 2. This is the formula. Substituting in this, that is 1 plus cos hx value is 13 by 12 by 2. That is equal to under root of, this is 12 plus 13 by 2 into 12. That is root over 25 by 24. So that is this. 25 by 24 is 4 into 6. This is root 25 is 5 by root 4 is 2 into root 6. This is the value of cos hx by 2, that is 5 by 2 root 6.